It's another episode again of my vlog. I'm in the beach right now. It's not too much people right now. It's not really busy for a while. Uh, Maybe in the happy hour it's gonna be busy. Yesterday we were busy anyway for the seafood night. I think our seafood night now they start catching all the guests. So every seafood night we're busy. So this our beach right now is really clear. It's really clean. At the Wyndham Rip Resort. You go at the SN side, this is what you see. Really nice down there. Very relaxing. And the water is clear also. I'm gonna show you the water right now. That water. Right up. What the beach. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? See? I almost touched up the water. And that's our back. The Wyndham back. It is all the resort on it. See the people under. See the guests. And this is the beach bar over here. And at night, that area down there is full of guests. And we have the tiki torches also. Yeah. Today, actually, it's Thursday. We have a magic show at the Tide restaurant upstairs. So if you want, you can just go upstairs and enjoy the magic show every Thursday. And that next area down there is the Moritz Rip Resort. That's next door. It's all over here. Alright, that's it for now. We'll see later on if we can cut some of the show. Because of the bar, I think the bar is gonna be busy soon. Alright, that's for now. We're ready for the magic show tonight. Over here. It's ready. Set up already. I like the view upstairs, right? The flower. Let's go out and see the view outside. Hey, how are you, man?
How are you?
Good.
Busy?
Not busy for now.
Maybe later.
Tortilla. Where are you from? Oh, let me interview you. Let me interview you.
Okay. Hey,
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. And you?
From the Philippines, Mr. Tony B.
Hey,
So, what do you do?
I do
Exercise?
exercise and I do
You go to the
walking
gym?
walk. Yes. Yeah, give it to me. Give it to me.
Wait, I'm interviewing you. So,
So this this view outside of the resort. I'm in the at the Tides restaurant actually. So look at this. This is the view for now. There's a lot of guests in that area down there on that side. There's a shade actually down there, so that's why most of the guests stay on that side. Over here, and there's the beach bar. For now, it's like looks empty. But it's on the 4 o'clock start, the happy hour, then that's gonna be packed. Over here. That's it. Look at the view. See the clouds, little clouds. I hope it will not rain tonight or today because last night actually it has those raindrops. See the infinity of that water down there. Wow, so clear, so clean.
Our right side. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. That's first step.
Yes, sir.
First step, okay? So
I will tell the server. I still doesn't.
and now to our right, okay?
So I think so.
Alright. So together. 5, 6, 7, go.
Because it's still must be
1,
much.
together.
No, don't
2,
worry. Yeah, I'll tell the
together.
server.
1, just keep 5, 6, 7, go. 1, here we go. 2, and 1, and 2. Very good. 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, forward and back, and right, left, forward and back, and right, left. Okay, DJ, stop it. DJ, please. Okay. Ready? Ready for go. And step number 1. Okay?
Hey, say hello.
Hello.
You gotta
Step
be
number
in
1. 5, 6, 7, go. Step number
It's a
1.
seafood night.
Right?
This is oyster.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn around. Very good. And start over again. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, go. Get easy. 3 and 4. And 1, 2, get 2. Step number 1. Step number 2.
Hi, how are you, chef?
Number 3.
No, ma'am.
And
Five?
4.
Five. 2. Calamari.
Number 3.
And then the mussel.
Number 3, number 1, and turn around. Okay?
This is the dessert.
5, 6.
This is the
and die the next day.
You got Johnny singing all these goldies. Viva Lou, baby, what I said. You got Johnny singing, I got a woman. Down the new tunnels, try to make it pair. We got I've tried so not to give it. I've said to myself, this affair never will go so well.
All right.
UK! Oh, it's so special. You're so special. The night queen. I'm aware though. What the hell I'm gonna do? I don't belong here. Woo!
Hey, another day, another night again. I'm start closing right now. It's end of my shift right now, so it's I gonna start closing it and do my report, and then I can go home, right? So off the TV and everything. Yep. And cover it up. Okay, over here. It's gone. So anyways, like end of my shift right now, and while the shift is doing good, it's kind of busy, and I see you again most probably maybe next week. We'll see how it goes. I thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and then well, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page, follow, and then like you guys like updated all the time that I have a new video. So thank you for watching, and have a good night for everybody. So I'll give you a 360 view right now in this bar. Say nobody's here. It's empty, empty, and the beach also is empty right now. See, look at that. All right, have a good night. Thank you.